this is TG English. Welcome to the program. ሰላም ጤና ይስጥልኝ ውድ የተከበራችሁ የፕሮግራም ተከታታዮች ቲጂ እንግሊሽ ነኝ። ቲጂ እንግሊሽ በአዲስ መልክ በአዲስ ሙድ በአዲስ ትምህርት ከች ብያለሁኝ። Now please come with me. I'm going to take you to another step. How to communicate in English. English for communication. Okay, let me ask you some honest questions and I need honest answer in the comment box. How do you feel about yourself? How confident are you to speak English, to communicate with English speakers? So, if you are not sure, if you are not that much confident, please stay with me. I'm going to teach you how to communicate in English. Anyway, I have some presentation I'm going to give you right now. So as I said communication practice part 1. How to sound natural in job interview, for example. But I would like to help you to be confident and improve your English communication better than before. Okay, that's my goal. My second goal is to teach my students how native speakers or fluent speakers actually communicating. Okay. እና የኔ አንደኛው ጎል ምንድነው ያልኳችሁ? ለምሳሌ ጆብ ኢንተርቪው ሆናል ወይ ከሰዎች ጋር ስትገናኙ ወይ ስራ ስትፈልጉ ወይም የዶክተር አፖይንትመንት ስታደርጉ ወይም በስልክ የሆነ ሰው ልታነጋግሩ ትራንስፖርት ላይ ላይፋችሁ ላይ የምታደርጉትን ዴይ ቱ ዴይ ተግባሮች በእንግሊዘኛ እንዴት በቀላሉ ልትነጋገሩ እንደምትችሉ ኮሙኒኬት እንደምታደርጉ የኮሙኒኬሽን መንገዱን አሳያችኋለሁ፣ እነግራችኋለሁ፣ አስተምራችኋለሁ። በተቻለ መጠን ካላችሁበት ከስታንዳርዳችሁ ላይ ባላችሁ ዕውቀት እንዴት በትክክልና ወይ በግልጽ ከሌላ ሰው ጋር ለመግባባት የሚያስችላችሁ ቴክኒኮች ነው የምነግራችሁ። ኦኬ። And now my lesson objective ምንድነው? By the end of this lesson, my students will, by end of this lesson, ተማሪዎች ምንድነው የምትሆኑት? ኦብጀክቲቭ answer interview question naturally. የኢንተርቪው ኩዌሽኖቻችሁን በቀላሉ ትመልሳላችሁ በእንግሊዘኛ። Okay, avoid common English mistakes. ኮመን ኢንግሊሽ ሚስቴኮች ኮመን ሚስቴክ የምንሰራው እሱን አቮይድ ታደርጋላችሁ። ያ ምንድነው? ከኮመን ሚስቴኩ ወደ ኮመን ራይቱ ትክክለኛውን ነገር ትገባላችሁ ማለት ነው። እና ኮመን ሚስቴኮች እናስወግዳለን ማለት ነው በኤንድ ኦፍ ማይ ሌሰን። Speak with confidence. I love this part. We will talk about this more. Please subscribe and like it and share it with your friend. How do you feel? Do you speak English confidently? Are you confident? Do you have enough confidence to speak, to express yourself in English? Okay, then the last one is learn expressions that native speakers use. Learn expressions that native speakers use. ያ ደግሞ ኤክስፕሬሽን ምንድነው? በቀላሉ መንገድ ኤክስፕረስ ራሳችሁን የምታደርጉት አንድ ነገር ሲገርማችሁ እንዴት እንደምትሉ፣ አንድ ነገር ካልገባችሁ እንዴት እንደምትሉ how you express your feeling about something in English. That is the key point to communicate much better. Expression is very important by any language as well as English, because it doesn't matter what we say, but how to say it matters. አንድ ነገር ለምሳሌ አንድ ሰው ዘንጦ ስታዩት ዋው በጣም ዘንጠሻል ማለትና አዎ በጣም ዘንጠሻል, the words are the same, but the expression, the one with the first wow, that matters, that makes sense. I will teach you those expressions that the native English speakers use. Okay. And now, I think ጨረስኩ መሰለኝ። And now, ለዛሬው ጨርሼላችኋለሁ። ማስታወቂያ ነው። ፕሊዝ ብዙዎቻችሁ ሰብስክራይባችሁን አንሰብስክራይብ አድርጋችኋል። ሁለታችሁን አልፈርድባችሁም፣ ጠፍቼባችኋለሁ እና ስለዚህ አሁን ስፒኪንግ እንግሊሹን ትተን ኮሚኒኬሽኑን ነው የምናተኩረው። I assumed you guys know about the grammar usage. Of course, if you are my student, yes you do. Alright, if you are not my student, if you start from today, please back to my part 1 present tense and learn and figure out how to use grammar. Okay, all right, ladies and gentlemen, I think we're done for a day. Until I see you with my first part 1 episode, let's communicate in English. Until then, have a nice time. See you soon.